interstate, I-10 or I-610, anywhere in the New Orleans, Metairie, Kenner area.
And say that a lot of the elevated expressways.
They could be icy, even if they're not closed.
That's exactly, it could be dangerous. Well, here in this area, we're not used to seeing snow, and we all want to see snow. But the Jefferson Parish Sheriff's Office is warning drivers they better have a pretty good reason for being on the road tonight. The sheriff won't tolerate people driving around to look for snow.
What fun is that? But our news crews are able to go out and look for snow, and as Jeff mentioned, Kentwood has gotten a fair amount of it. Our photographer Justin Abshire, hey Justin, is Skyping with us from Kentwood. How's it going?
It's going great, Susie and LBJ, and yes, it is very cold here in Kentwood, Louisiana. Let me show you a little bit about what the snow looks like right now.
Yeah, it's pretty white.
Yeah, as you can see, it kind of looks like a little white Christmas.
Yeah.
Here in Kentwood. Earlier I was talking to the police department. They said right now they're looking not to have any power outages or close any roads. So that's a good sign right now. But they are encouraging residents to watch the roads because, yes, as you can see, they are getting icy again here in Kentwood.
Hey, Jeff,
And also,
how thick is it? How thick is it?
It kind of varies in different areas. I'd probably say maybe an inch and a half, maybe. It's not very deep. But also they are wanting residents to know that here at the high school gymnasium, they are having a warm shelter tonight. So if any residents do lose any power, they are more than welcome to come here and stay warm. So that's something that the Emergency Preparedness is offering to residents here in the area.
Wow.
Well, thanks so much, Justin. We hope you stay dry and stay warm out there in Kentwood.
I hope you don't have to use that warming shelter in Kentwood because you don't see a lot of people there. Thank you, Justin.
Well, here's another look at what's happening in Kentwood. At least one gas station ran out of gas last night, but now has the pumps flowing again. The mix of snow and ice might make some areas look picturesque, but people tell us the thrill is gone and they're ready to warm up even if their kids aren't yet.
Kind of crazy, man, down here in Kentwood. We don't get this kind of weather, but it's kind of fun for the kids to come outside and have a little fun and play.
Ice falling all day long, slipping and sliding all day.
The ice is just beginning to accumulate in the Mandeville area as well. And just like everywhere else, the kids are staying home today, but with the snow starting, that slow start earlier today, at least one worried student asked if they could unclose school.
And luckily for that student and many others, no, they could not unclose schools.
So it looks like everybody's off tomorrow as well. Well, the big word tonight is, will the power stay on?
And we hope to get Melanie Stewart from Energy on the phone with us. Melanie, if you're there, can you tell us what areas don't have power right now?
Well, right now we're in pretty good shape because all of our areas do have power. So